And after we all assemble each part, we're going to show you the complete machine after assembly. Look at our gorgeous tube mill line. Rollers, the stand, forming F, E, F, 2, 3, 4, and 8 rollers here. And between these rollers also we have a horizontal rollers. Before welding, we needed some twisting area to make sure the welding seam is in the same and precise positions. This is a small tiny machine. We call it 1 inch. Maximum thickness is 2 millimeter and maximum diameter is 25. Coming from back side, you can check our LOTOS logo here. And this machine going to our Thailand customer. As you can see, these gearbox is so close together, so we put it 2 by together. Smoothly turning around after assembly. This will be our machine and complete line. And from here, we make it sizing after cooling. Sizing number 1, sizing 2, and we have also side rollers, vertical and horizontal stands. So this machine carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sizing stand. And look at the structure, the base plate, a small toolkit, smoothly move up and down, twisting very smooth.